A very good morning, everybody. This is Perkish Salomina, Assistant Professor, Department of Social Work, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. In this video, I am going to explain about the nature and objectives of human resource management. Here I have given few natures of human resource management. Start from the beginning: pervasive function, result-oriented, tactful approach, people-centric, integrative action, and continuous process. I will explain this in one by one. The first function is pervasive function. In HRM, the pervasive function means it is existed everywhere in all kind of organization. We can say where the human beings are working as a employee, in all the place the human resource management is existed. Next is result oriented. Human resource management is mainly focused on the result of the organization or else the goals of the organization. The human resource management is fully focusing on the result of organization, gaining the goal of the organization through the human resource of organization. So the next nature is tactful approach. Handling human resource in an organization, it is quite difficult. So as a nature, it is very tactful approach, in the sense we are handling with a different kind of people in the organization from the different situation, like 5 fingers in the hand. Each finger is important to do a particular and proper work. Likewise, each employee of the organization is important to attain our common goal of the organization. So handling with the human resource management is a tactful approach, whereas we have to compromise with all the individuals in order to maintain a good relationship in the organization. The next approach or the next nature of human resource is people centric. It is human resource is mainly focused on people centric. By this word itself we can come to conclusion: human resource management, it is fully managing the human being of the organization who is working as a employee of the organization for the betterment and to attain a common goal of the organization. So the next nature is, it is an integrative action. So it is a kind of maintaining a cordial relationship among the different levels of employee. For example, in an organization we can find different kind of department and different kind of designation and different kind of people who are working together. As a human resource manager, we have to maintain a cordial relationship between these kind of employees, and we should handling a grievance if any kind of conflict arises. So it is an integrative action to maintain a proper relationship with all kind of employees who is working in an organization. Next nature is, it is continuous process. Yes, the human resource management is a continuous process until the end of the industries. So human resource management cannot be ended in 1 month or 1 year or a 2 year back. So human resource is a continuous process until we attain a goal of the organization. Next, we can discuss about the objective of human resource management. I have divided the objectives into 4 types: organizational objective, professional objective, functional objective, and social objectives. I will explain this one by one. First one is organizational. So the first objective is focusing on the organizational objectives, which means the human resource management is giving first importance to the organizational goal and organizational objectives, which means attaining a common goal of the organization. For that purpose, the human resource management is providing training and providing human resources to the organization, which help the employee to hire themselves and to maintain the high employee retention rate in an organization. So the next functional objectives. Functional objective is focusing on the particular potential or particular fulfillment of the progress in an organization. So always human resource is focusing on a functional approach, which means getting done with the work from the employee and the employer side. The next objective is personal objective. Human resource also focusing on the personal development of the employee, for example career guidance and in the form of promotion, and helping the employee to hire themselves and to develop themselves in the form of experience and in the form of getting job satisfaction and all those things. The next societal objectives. Yes, it is also focusing on the societal objectives, which means giving importance to the social needs or the challenges of the company and its employee. For example, maintaining a good relationship, a good name of the industry, and this includes the legal issues and equal opportunities and equal pay for equal work of the employee in an organization. These 4 objectives can be given with the different kind of functions, that is a societal objectives supporting the function related to legal compliance, benefits and union management relation. The organizational objectives related with the function of human resource planning, employee retention, selection, training and development, appraisal, placement and assessment. The functional objectives supporting the function related to appraisal, placement and assessment. The last personal objective is related with the training and development, appraisal, placement, compensation and the assessment. So with this I end this class. Thank you.